So, right now we'll explain to you how to open the front door from our apartment. First of all, you have to download the application called Danalock. So you just easily go to your App Store or your Google account and you download it for your smartphones. After that, you have to make sure that you have received our invitation with the code from our door by email. So don't forget to check your email before you arrive. After that, you open the application. And you will see that red circle. That red circle means that the door is closed. All you have to basically to do is press it. After the circle became green, it means that the door is open. And obviously when you leave the apartment or you just want to close it for the night, you press it again to make sure that the door is closed. There might appear some issues with the Danalock. For example, you wouldn't be able to use the application or it would say to you that it error. Don't worry about that, sometimes it happens. Just make sure that you connected to the Wi-Fi. You can check this video that we uploaded before in order to make sure that you connected to the right network and try to restart the application and eventually we guarantee it will work. Enjoy your standing.